Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up the month of February in my Erin Condren social media planner. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so my Erin Condren social media planner is just the monthly planner, so it just has the monthly view and then a bunch of notes pages. And this is what I use to set up my social media. It's very straightforward, very simple. I am using here the Fern Creek Stickers My Valentine Kit. It's kit 153, so I just have the main page here, and then I did get the freebie for it as well. Look at how cute the little flat lay is there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. It's already February, and I feel like I'm still not posting on Instagram as much as I want it to be. But you know what, friends? I will get there. I will get back on top of that. It's just, you know, life gets crazy. I thought this was cute because of the way they looked like the little candy hearts, like the little conversational hearts. So I'm going to put this here, trying to get it right along the edge there, nice and straight. I never do anything straight. Okay, and then let's see, days of the week, here they are. I like this cute little, like, kind of bluish, it's not quite, kind of turquoisey, but it's cute. So here is Tuesday. Where's Wednesday? There it is. So it's actually Monday the 6th that I'm filming because I just didn't get to everything. I just finished planning my monthly, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, and was talking about how it's just been busy and kind of just making some different choices, you know, hanging out with Sophie and stuff before she ends up going off to college on me. But yeah, so just kind of trying to find balance in everything, filming all the videos that I love to do, and then also just, you know, work and all of that comes into play. So alrighty, so we've got header down, we've got days of the week, and now I'm gonna put these date dots down. And I will finish doing this off camera so you don't have to watch the tedious task of me doing this because I'm quite slow. These little dots are so hard for me, and I was just, like I said, filming my monthly in my plum paper, and I used a Monarch Plans kit, and the date dots on that are super, super tiny. These ones are bigger, so at least it's a little bit easier for me and my stubby fingers to kind of get a hold of them. That's what the tweezers are for. But okay, let me finish doing this. Okay, so I have all the date dots down. I think I'm gonna put one of these social media stickers down here, just kind of off to the side here, because that's what this is, my social media planner. And then this is from Saya Planning. I love these scripts that she does. And then let's go ahead. I've got my Planner Kate, just some basic labels. I love these. I tried to order, I think I have a sheet in most every color of these, but they're good basic stickers to have, and so I use these. I thought they were a pretty decent match. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Plan With Me's down first. So these are all the weeklies. I always do my weeklies to come out on the Sunday, which is the last day of the week. So this week here will come out on Sunday the 5th, or it did come out yesterday because today's the 6th. There's that, and then I've got one more. Oh, I think I wrote the 25th, and that should be the 26th. Let me get a black pen and fix that. There we go. Okay, and then, let's see. I did a video, came out on the 1st with my Erin Condren Petite Planners and my March kits. And then Friday, I like to try to do my Clean Mama routine video at the beginning of the month so that those of you that are following along with that have as much time as possible. And then, let's see, I'm gonna do my February monthly here. I just filmed it, so I've gotta hurry up and get that up and on my channel. And then we'll do my budget, which I haven't even really kind of looked at, other than I know what my bills are, so that's not a problem. And then let's do social media there. And then I didn't ever do a December flip through. And I might have to combine December and January. I did do a separate sticker here for January, but we'll see. I'm gonna put it just above the Ash Wednesday there. And then I'll have one more, and I think what I'll do here is I have a couple of kits that I just got that I will do like a little mini haul video. So we'll leave that open just in case something changes, because I think Erin Condren's having a sale right now. I might have a whole sale for that. I probably won't get it in time though for that video to post. Okay, so flipping over to here, I have washi here on this page, but I want to save that because I'm going to use it here and over here. But I did pull a bunch of leftover washi from past kits that I'd been using, and I used a bunch of the leftovers here for my weekly plan with me for this week. And I thought I would pull, let's see, I kind of like this whiter one, and I think I'm gonna go with, it's not quite the same colors, but I feel like it's close enough. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick this right here. I'm just gonna kind of center it like that. And then let's put down, this is from Big Elephant Plans. I have a little YouTube sticker here. This is where I'll put my little YouTube grid. And what I'm gonna do is take my ruler and one of my gray Tombos, this is N65, and I'm just gonna draw my little grid line in, my little kind of chart system. So let me go ahead and do that. So that's how that looks. Very straightforward. And then I have more Saya planning scripts for film, edit, and upload. So let's put these down. So we put film here, edit, and then we have upload. Oops, skipped right over that column. There we go, that's better. Film, edit, and upload. And then I just write in TN for thumbnail. I should probably have Saya do a custom and then just live for when it goes live on my channel. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to write in each of the videos. So we had Plan With Me 1, 2, week 3, week 4. Is there just the 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna put EC haul, and then we have Clean Mama, and then we have the February monthly, and then the February budget. I guess I could have put February in front of Clean Mama too. We'll have my social media, which we're filming right now. And then what else did we say we had? We had monthly budget, social media, and then a December and a January flip through. So we'll do December flip through. That's of 2022, obviously. And then January flip through. And then one more. So we'll see what that ends up being. Again, I think it might be a sticker haul video. Okay, so then here, I usually use these little dots to cover these, but there's only 3 and there's 4. So what I found in my little hybrid album was I had all of these little hearts. So I thought I would use these. These would be perfect since this is sort of Valentine's Day themed, right? We've got February here. It's not a perfect match, but I thought the colors were fine enough. And this is where I will put my monthly kits. So I love listing them out because it's so easy for me to refer back. I don't have to like pull out my sticker storage album and thumb through and see what I used. Cute. So we've got that there. And then I put monthly kits. I'm wondering, let me put this washi down because I want to make sure I have enough to cover at least these lines first, which I probably will, but let me go ahead and do these first. So let me put this down. I'm going to cover this. So we've got this. Oh yeah, I have plenty. And then we'll put this here. Perfect. And then I still have this other strip here that I can do for this one up here. I'm just gonna put it like, just gonna eyeball. Come above that heart, just eyeballing it. Good enough for government work. Okay, so there's that. And then now I'll put my scripts in. So this one is monthly kits, which will go here. And then next will be weekly kits, which I will put here. Okay, so for my monthly kits, there is my plum paper, so I just do that. And then I have my Happy Planner budget. Then I have my EC, social media. And then I have the Clean Mama, which is just washi. Usually when I order my monthly kit, I will order enough washi to do the Clean Mama. And then here we'll just list Plan With Me 1. I think I usually write just week 1, 2, 3, 4, but I did Plan With Me there, so no big deal. Okay, so that's kind of the base of it. And I wanted to use this little flat line. I wanted to put this down somewhere. So I'm gonna put this down here in this little corner. I think it's cute, and I wanted to put it down. Okay, so that's that. And then let's see, we've got, none of this really applies. I'm gonna put these in my hybrid album you just saw because I wanna make sure I use those somewhere else. I'm gonna put this down here. Since I have it, I'm gonna just kind of anchor this a little bit. And then I have like this little tiny strip. You know, I just thought it was cute and I wanted to add it on there. And we're just gonna mush it together here. Okay. Alrighty. There, that way I used it up. Cute. Oh, that's sweet. I really wish they would go back to their real neutral where I wouldn't have this, but this is the Harmony neutral and it's about as neutral as it's gonna get. So I'm all right with it. Cute. Okay, so I've got just the holidays here, and like I said, these icons I'll save, and then there's a bunch of these cute little scalloped pieces here, little header pieces, and then a bunch of these fun little check boxes. So I'll use these somewhere else. Alrighty, friends, I think that's it. This is my social media setup. I've got my little checklist here. I've got my tracking of what I use for monthly and weekly kits, and then here is my plan for posting videos for the month. Alrighty, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.